Elavarkum Namaskaran. Greetings from Ulster University to all of you, our global nursing colleagues, our global nursing family. The challenging situation in the Middle East has prevented us from meeting together in India to discuss the opportunities to study with us at Ulster University School of Nursing and Paramedic Science. However, we are planning an online event to enable us to connect with you all to hear about studying at Ulster University here in Northern Ireland. We are passionate about nursing in both our world-class teaching and our world-class research. We believe wholly in person-centredness and ensuring that you have the best student experience with us, and we champion that our internationally educated nurses have the opportunities to flourish in their careers, both here in the UK and globally. Whilst we cannot connect as initially planned, please be reassured of our commitment to connecting with you and our commitment to welcoming you and supporting you throughout your nursing journey at Ulster University, both as our peers and as our valued colleagues. Thank you.